Episode 12. The Sabbath was for Israel, the Church has Sunday. Another popular claim is that the Sabbath was given to Israel, but the Church now keeps Sunday. This false separation between Israel and the Church is not biblical. God never gave one standard to Israel and a different one to Christians. Romans 11 describes how believing Gentiles are grafted into the same olive tree of Israel. There's one body, one faith, one Lord, and one law. Paul says in Galatians 3:29, "If ye be Christ's, then are ye Abraham's seed, and heirs according to the promise." God's law wasn't just for Israel. It was for all who would join his covenant. In Exodus 12:49, God says, "One law shall be to him that is homeborn, and unto the stranger that sojourneth among you." The Sabbath wasn't an ethnic command, it was a creation command. It was given in Eden to the first humans. When the commandments were given at Sinai, God included the stranger within thy gates. And in Isaiah 56, 6-7, he promised blessings to Gentiles who honored the Sabbath. Nowhere does Scripture say the Church was given Sunday. There is no verse where Jesus or his apostles say, "Keep the first day of the week holy." The Church in Acts gathered daily, but they kept the Sabbath weekly. To separate the Sabbath from the Church is to separate the Church from its foundation. Jesus is the head of the Church, and he kept the Sabbath. His true Church follows his example.